before I joined this pageant, I received a wonderful text message coming from my mom, and it goes something like this. Anak, huwag ka nang sumali sa Fahrenheit na yan. Mababastos ka lang. I replied, Inay, hindi po ako magpapabastos. Bagkus, ipapakita ko po sa mga hurado at mga manunood na ako ay may kagandahan, katalinuhan, talento na aking may papamalas. A glorious good evening to each and everyone. Or I should say, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Standing in front of you is a 19-year-old sinner who hails from the land of witches, warlocks, and the most famous Aswang, Siquijor City. I'm proud to represent the 7,107 islands of the Philippines. Na nagsasabi pong, huwag niyo po akong tangkaing dayain. Pagkat nakalikod ko lamang ang lola kong mambabarang.